organize my kitchen today. Today I am tackling this little cabinet behind me, which is where we store all of our cereals and snack items, and it needs a little bit of help. Let me show you the process that I go through as I organize this space, show you the before and afters, and give you some tips along the way that will help you organize your own kitchen. So one thing that this kitchen is lacking is a dedicated pantry space. So we don't have a big pantry closet or pull-out pantry with drawers of any kind, so we are utilizing a few of our upper cabinets for dry foods. And when you're organizing a smaller space, you definitely have to be strategic with how you set things up. So I want to come up with a streamlined system that will just simplify everything. Get rid of the packaging, figure out a better game plan for how to keep everything tidy, make sure that it's easy to locate what we're looking for, and I also want to make sure I'm setting up a system that will work with all types of foods as we rotate in different snack items and get groceries. So it's something that will be flexible and will kind of work with us as we go. We're going to jump right into the process now. I'm going to take you along on the entire ride, and we're going to go through these steps one by one. Step 1 is gathering everything up. This means pulling absolutely all of your foods out of your pantry and cleaning off the shelves. This is really helpful for seeing exactly what kind of storage space you have to work with, and it's also a great time to wipe down the shelves so that you have a clean slate. Step 2 is purging. That means getting rid of all of the excess, throw out extra packaging, get rid of expired foods, and toss any food items that your family realistically will never get around to eating. I found that we had so many half-full boxes of snacks that were taking up unnecessary space in our pantry. And since most of the snack items come individually packaged, I was able to remove a lot of the bulky boxes and better utilize my pantry space by putting those items in different containers instead. Now whenever we unload groceries, we will remove the snack items from their original packaging right away. Step 3 is to assess and start sorting. This is where you want to sort items into like piles so that your foods are categorized into piles by type and by use. Whatever makes sense for you. I sorted all of our foods into piles of crackers, cookies, sweet treats, nuts, cereals, and bars. Step 4 is to organize your food into containers. This is the fun part. Measure your pantry shelves and find containers that fit and maximize your space. If your shelves are adjustable, don't forget that you can move them up and down. I made the top shelf of our cabinet taller so that I could fit larger containers of chips and cereals up on top. These clear bins from iDesign are my absolute favorite because they are specifically designed to fit the depth of a standard upper cabinet so you can maximize every inch. The handles are also really nice for pulling containers in and out of the cabinet, similar to drawers. I was able to fit 5 bins per shelf with the middle bin hidden back behind that center divider, so it's not as easy to access, but I put foods in those bins that we don't reach for quite as often. Step 5 is to add labels. This is my favorite step because it makes everything look so pretty and organized. Some people might question how necessary labels are with clear bins, but I still think that they're really helpful. Everyone in your family will know exactly where things belong. Plus, when your space looks pretty, you're so proud of it that you're more likely to maintain that organizing system that you've worked so hard to create. And the final step, step 6, is to refine. That means start living with and using your organized pantry and see how it works for you and your family. You'll probably find the need to make a few adjustments and move things around as you start using it day to day, and that's what this step is all about. Alright, so that is a wrap on my pantry makeover today. I cannot believe what a difference this little organizing project made. It may only be one small cabinet in our kitchen, but the whole room feels much more organized and functional now. All of our cereals, treats, and snack items have a home. You can see everything so nice in those clear containers. The labels make everything look pretty, and I know it's a system that is flexible enough that we can maintain it for the long run. I love organizing projects like this, and it once again proves my point that even the smallest of projects count. So I hope that this video inspires you to tackle your own pantry. No matter its size, the tips I shared in this video will help you give your pantry an organizing makeover. If you liked this video and want to see more projects like this from me, go ahead and like and subscribe please, and I will share more organizing projects here soon. We'll talk to you later. Bye!